Congratulations! We have our first fairy. 43! Number 43, number 43. Raise your hand. Congratulations. Come up here on stage. Number 36. Stop. 24. Number 24. Number 81. Number 81. Number 81. Okay, let's present our prizes to our top 10. Of course, meron din tayong special surprise. Huwag po munang aalas, ha? Let's get a group photo of our top winners, our top 10 winners.
Yana! Yana! Flower! Flower! Flower!
Alright, of course, ang ating surprise para sa ating top 10 kids is Jollibee and Friends! Come up here on stage! Para po sa ating mga kids na di ba po nakakapag-picture kay Jollibee, wait lang po ha! Huwag po kayong mainip dahil maya-maya po ibibigyan namin kayo ng chance to get your photos with Jollibee and